Hi everyone, welcome back for semester 2 of this year. I'm so happy to be working with you as you migrate through the material contained within Chemistry 30. It goes without saying that we've had each other in course before, and by now you should have an idea how things will function. You know that I'll be fair, but I expect a lot from you, but I also expect a lot from myself as well. But to that end, to jump right into it, let's take a look at what this course is actually going to involve. So if you see when you log into the course, as you see here, things will look a little different. I've modified the course layout from a course you may have seen from me previously. Of course, you know me by now, and when you click on this link on the course homepage, Chemistry 30, you'll see a little bit of stuff about me. There you have it. Don't think I need to repeat all that. But in essence, welcome again to the course. I'm hoping to see it being a positive experience for each and every one of you. But remember that I'm there to provide help to you if need be. You can send me an email, or you can simply click on this link here, which will actually allow you to actually book an appointment time to meet with me outside of class. If you need help, please, please, please reach out. Of course, standard announcement posted as we migrate through the year. You know that this year, not the first week, but the second week, that's Teacher Convention Week. There won't be any online class in person from February 10th through and including 17th. You know by now that the modules are the heart of the entire course. Now, because of the details involved in Chemistry 30, there's a number of things here you'll need to refer to. You'll see a data book which contains a lot of useful information. You'll see a bulletin that was released from the provincial ministry. And you'll see some rubrics for diploma examinations. Something that I do want to draw your attention to is this virtual tutor. I got this done up in ChatGPT. Now, you do not need to have a paid ChatGPT account to use this virtual tutor. In fact, I'd suggest that the free version will probably suffice for your need. It just means that there's certain limitations on what you can do during each day, each 24-hour period. So just to give you a quick look what that looks like, let's take a look at that there, just to give you an idea. So you click on it, it'll open up. It'll take you to this here, and if you can work your way through it, it will provide answers, provide a way to, for example, these are the 4 units of the course: thermochemistry, electrochemistry, chemical change, and organic. Now, to that end, let's jump right in and show you how this works. So you're having trouble with thermochemical change. Okay. I don't know what thermochemistry is. So you hit enter, and a little slow here this morning, a little slow. So it'll do its thing. And it'll respond back to you. But enough of that. You'll find help working through that as we transition. So in working through the material, you see my computer's a little bit slow here today as well. So we go back to the modules once again in the course. So again, you've done all this before, folks. See this here. We're going to start off with a review of Chemistry 20. All the modules are posted and works its way through. In each lesson, as you've done these things, you'll also find that at the end of each lesson within the modules, you'll see a series of activities. What I do want you to do when you've got this done, just the way you keep tracking things, click this last button at the top. You'll see mark as done. And when you've got that done, you work through the material, mark it as done, and move on to the next one. You'll see again, Lumia lessons, some review material, and the review. So that's an overview of this first lesson in the review material. Now, I'm going to jump ahead here a little bit, folks, because once we've got the Chemistry 20 review done, once we got that done, then we're going to move on to the 4 major units of the course. And you'll see that the 4 major units of the course consist of thermochemistry, electrochemistry, organic chemistry, and chemical changes, equilibrium. So the course outline is there. You'll be assessed in terms of assignments. You'll be assessed in terms of lab materials, quizzes, etc. All geared towards getting you ready to take on the diploma exam at year end. That being said, folks, thanks so much. I'm so happy to be working with you once again. And there you have it. Look forward to seeing you in class, folks. See you there.